Right guys, first you've got to make sure that the bar is just below shoulder height. So when you get underneath and you start lifting it up, you got that little bit of leverage. As you can see, I'm just warming up just with the bar. So I'm working them glutes, hamstrings, all the legs, because you do not want to start lifting weights without warming up. So I'll do a few sets of these and then I go straight on to just a little bit more weight, and I gradually work up the weight. So now I'm upping the weight to 60 kg, and I'm gonna be doing between 10 to 12 reps. I'll probably do about 2 sets, maybe 3, depending on how I get on with it, but definitely 2 sets. As you can see, I'm going 90 degrees down on the angle, and I'm going at a steady pace. I'm not pushing up explosively because I'm trying to work the whole of the glutes and the hamstrings and the quads. Next, I up the weight to 80 kg. As you can see, I'm holding my groin, so I'm doing a few groin exercises and stretches just to try and loosen it up. I do this as my final set because I didn't really want to injure myself. But as you can see, I'm stretching my legs side to side, just trying to loosen up the muscles. You might see a lot of footballers doing this before they go out on the pitch, because they also suffer from groin injuries really easy. So I suggest before you do any sort of squats, you warm up really good, because if you pull a groin, you'll be out for at least 4 to 8 weeks. Anyway, I finished my set of squats doing 2 sets of 6 reps, and then I went on to all my other leg movements and smashed them.
That cake looking appetizing. Backpack food, that's a crisis. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my wrist. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my wrist. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my wrist. Look like a new ballet. Yeah, hold tight when you right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek. Tip top, tip top, tip top. Chains on, got me looking like a disco. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my breath. Feel like you do, baby. Bring that body my way. Can't take it off my breath. Feel like you do ballet. Yeah, hold tight when you